the bridge would be unlike any other in the world. And even today, for those that cross it,
after the corner, we cross the bridge.
this railway's mind-blowing solution still takes the breath away.
It's a very nice picture, driving over the bridge. I'm lucky. She's the greatest bridge in Europe.
The Gulch Viaduct is the largest brick-built bridge in the world.
So the simple solution is always the best. And that's what you can see here, the Gulchtal Viaduct.
Stretching 574 meters and towering 78 meters high. When opened in 1851, it was the tallest railway bridge on the planet.
For me, it is a masterpiece of engineering. I love it.
The bridge's extraordinary dimensions are down to one man, engineer and mathematical genius Johann Andreas Schubert. He knew that spanning such massive distances whilst taking the strain of a train could only be achieved by one simple shape.
Schubert was the first engineer who proved the stability of his constructions in a mathematical way on the paper. He relied on the mathematical principle of an arch shape.
For centuries, the strength of this classic shape has defied belief, allowing buildings and even the most surprising everyday items to withstand incredible loads.
On the first sight, an egg seems to be a very fragile thing. If you tap it on a hard surface, it can be easily broken. If you can see here, the egg is shaped like an arch, and we want to try to stack some bricks on them. So this is the crucial point. At this moment, the load from the brick concentrates on these 4 eggshells. Let's see what happens if we stack another one on it. So we have just doubled the forces in the shells of the egg. Let's see if there is a 3rd brick. The total load of all these bricks is concentrated on the 4 points of the eggshells. The load is distributed through the compressive strength of the shape of the egg onto the table. That's what we have in the bridge behind me. The arch shape is an essential element of civil engineering.